The Supreme Court has dismissed a public interest litigation or PIL challenging states implementing the Uniform Civil Code and said, did the court, and I quote, the constitution of committees by states to examine the Universal Civil Code cannot be, or Uniform Civil Code cannot be a ground for a challenge to take place.
So this particular PL was filed based on several states forming committees to look into the issue of implementing Uniform Civil Code, and in the petition, the PL petitioner had stated states like Uttarakhand, Gujarat and other states are forming committees to look into this issue to implement Uniform Civil Code. And that's where a bench headed by Chief Justice of India, Justice Chandrachud, told the petitioner, saying that state governments are well within their right to constitute committee to look into this issue under Article 162, and that's where the court cannot intervene on this particular ground, only on the ground that the state governments are forming or constituting committees to look into this issue, and that's why Supreme Court dismissed the petition, saying that this is not the ground for the Supreme Court to intervene on this matter. So the main premise or the issue of the petitioner was that the state governments are forming committees to examine the issue of implementation of Uniform Civil Code, but the Supreme Court saying that there is no ground for the court to intervene on this issue because state governments are well within their rights under Article 162 to constitute committees to examine the issue of implementation of Uniform Civil Code.